If you have suffered with a disc bulge or compressed nerve, and you've had pain, numbness, tingling going up or down your arms and legs, and you're hoping to avoid a surgery, then you may have read about laser therapy. Today we're going to be talking about Class 4 laser, what it does and how it can help you. Unlike home-based laser units, which have a superficial effect, Class 4 laser therapy is much more powerful and can penetrate up to 10 centimeters deep, directly into spinal discs and irritated nerves. Through a process called photobiomodulation, the light energy enters your cells and stimulates the mitochondria, boosting ATP. This fuels the healing process. This immediately reduces nerve inflammation, flushes out swelling, and triggers rapid cellular repair. It's drug-free, completely painless, and feels warm and soothing. Most importantly, the effects of Class 4 laser therapy are cumulative. Each treatment builds on the one before. This gradually repairs damaged tissue, resets nerve sensitivity, and promotes the healing response. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, then give us a call.